so William said that bro sports page 1 and some Dawson yes a fantastic hotel pay them quite no and I did airplay live on YouTube at Adom 106.3 FM. Now ye G Egwase na and somewhere course so Fini Amanone no ya chini kufude bro Pablo Waima about a bet go the Dortmund unless Copenhagen this sports team na come hone na me dey sports page 1 at the bro ya no kai at the Nankasa Kegyiwa ho Eric Asiedu Boadi and why UEFA Champions League course so now what say yes Manchester amanfo agibia shamo papa bi so Inter Milan asema ya Inter Milan asema say team ane ka asa wakwaja hye Bodo Glimt fu enka Inter bet ma sanema Inter woya ye body anya manke prayer Inter and to be akwa kusihwe enti kwambia so ne ka say Inter Milan na fit Champions League ni mu Bodo Glimt fu afi wo mo achi Athletic wa mo ma che Man City mu nyina ye mo adwuma ne no wo mo che watodwo yes enkwala na ebo boro say boy ni mo ya de pa anya sam keto akra etu kopie mo no games ni mu a 4-1 Atletico chi Club Brugge bomo it is 7-4 na regret na Atletico qualify ko nim Leverkusen Olympiacos game near 0-0 first leg ne ko 2-0 to Leverkusen ko sansa Inter Milan so tena fie ma bodo be bo na ka ba ko ba ko san mienu timu ba ko say 5-2 no Bodo Glimt qualify for the next stage one Tottenham and Liverpool ko shia Newcastle so bokara back for kamiensa ama timu mienu etanu de ko so a yere won sam enso bro live Adom 106.3 Atletico and Liverpool and Tottenham mubako na be share Newcastle and Chelsea and Barcelona Leverkusen and Aston and Bayern mubako bodo and Man City and Sporting CP and be boy in the next round and Manchester City Paris Saint-Germain and Monaco na bo na Juventus and Galatasaray Atalanta and Borussia Dortmund na bo na Real Madrid and Benfica so dia pem so about your first leg Madrid na bo Benfica by a goal to nil you heard the Rebecca Paris Saint-Germain and Monaco dia no 3-2 in the first leg Rebecca say Juventus and Galatasaray Juve edition ho e kan number timu mienu na Atlanta so edition ho ka mienu a want to me anti against Borussia Dortmund way and the course where they want some so bro net live commentary as person so ka chen to sa efa emayen na ko program o the Ghana Football Association akacha me no ka say course so ko course license coaching course a bi course what ye afa dem pani for the abetum say coaches ni bi ko no mo ko everybody no horizon me pa coaches be na no ye bomudi wa ha de kire o na dwumadie na say na racket to ko twin ko wo ho no de nsem to dwa say na no da congress wo de nsem to dwa sense to biom sa de ba ko ha Ghana football coaches no e bi niam ko ye papa chabe coaches no wo mo hwehwe ye bi no hu so ye papa referee so ka ho ba coaches ni de ye coaching course de no wo timu biom say coaches ni bi modern body adabraka ticket.
I said in 2023 during our annual congress in Kumasi that we in the ESCO have identified two key need areas in our football ecosystem. And these two key need areas are refereeing and coaching. I've never been happy with coaching. And I've always not stopped talking about this. When I say that coaching standards in Ghana have been poor, I really mean it. When I say standards have not been good, it doesn't mean that we do not have good coaches in Ghana. In your line of duty, let us learn to be honest. In your line of duty, let us learn to speak the truth. In your line of duty, let us learn to stop sabotaging your colleagues. Because management is a key part of your job. If you cannot manage human beings who you work with, you will even find it difficult to manage players. Believe me, you can have all the ideas, all the knowledge in your head. If you cannot manage players, you will not be successful.
Right, and so I know it's some racket to Keku President Ghana Football Association to draft photos from Quadema coaches airlines is a coaching course no. Ya kwana 17 for catch Black Stars Sam na make me no ka say yomo eguso ya wo CC for na 17 afcon na friendly games e course omni atom the visa ball na fe mu wi a wo ma hwe no many golden kicks so the appearance of the class sports them 2 games and mo ba ku 8 ya na ba ko so 10 edition so sa e for mame ye kwani ye kopie mo former coach Makumasi Asante Kotoko coach Karim Dito one no ka say see the same to just say Kotoko Juma na form hey what's what Jack Kotoko Juma no so ko doctor ho ko na pomudi o ko doctor say hey when nya Kotoko Juma ka bewu wo se na kuma ho ye check yes na kuma bi 1000 watts per hour say to na ne moja ne huru se gugugugugugugu ama na bi pini ko soro nya ize it was hey Kotoko Juma na form it say the aja o Jack Kotoko Juma be da Africa kana se ko form kakra na ko dia Ashanti Gold 04 Juma kura eye te de ma aye coach Karim Zito di tuja
Saturday before house match and I'm a concern. No
na me nim say me yare me do fie na me say na me yare so na me body ye me no me apesa me doctor ka tell say mama we sanka oni yan kedisi because it's like I've accumulated a lot of things in me and as a body that needed rest and I thank my God say my baby okay I was living alone eating alone talking alone which means from training my baby we cost in now no nkwana me dwene
deɛ ɛkɔ so nyinaa menko a na medwen ho ɛno nti ɛna tɔda bi a wɔ companionship atimi bu aparte anɔpa bi a wosa bena poku a wani abadwuma no smale yɛ companionship ɛboa no yie paa na yɛka ne saa wie no na kwambia didi drama ne head coach ɛdema Asiedu kɛtɛkɛna no makra so folk deɛ papa di sɛ mo ɛto dwa afa ho ne sɛ referees so mo nka mo ho kakra sɛ na no ada deɛ si wɔ yɛ University of Ghana Stadium no dwen ho amante ase na no kora ko fa ho de yellow card ɛhadwen na mo anya penalty nyina na referees they should up their game kakra tiedidi.
I think that they have a responsibility to deal, just as we also have a responsibility to deal with, and I think that coaches and players alone don't improve the game. The game is improved by all the fundamental criteria of football, coaches, the medical administrators, and then the referees. So everybody has a role to play. In as much as we have our misgivings, it is important that we try to interpret what we see. Maybe when I see the clip again, I might have maybe a different opinion, but I think that some decisions were not right in my opinion. It's just my opinion, and I have the right to express my. I normally do not talk about those parts, but I think that maybe we can all watch the game again, and then we can make we can keep some reflections, and then either accept or denounce our misgivings about what we saw.
Right, way and someone did dramani at the 2 acre. Now, I can't say you know, my boxing, one more Sunday. Shannon Sumama said Ghana professional boxing elections and then they have a toja essay on the 2nd of June. So, William said Ghana boxing interim management committee at COC and China boxing and San Fernando Tumapa infra Nampanifua. No more interest to be able to make with the likes of Azuma Nancy Muna no more Kanwa. One more adding Yamato to Aquamas and the Yanya elections. Ni Penifo from Neighbor boxing and Nimo Ghana. Chairman, my MC no, Mr. Samer Captain, what they say to judge them was to be the dean, what that support to now, and penny for the Momonas in or Chilemus boxing. All person suffering to my birthday. The support from the entire public and Ghana for Bemanetmia Cosa.
We are here and we'll let you know our plans, what we have for the coming election. That we need your support to help regulate and man boxing coming years, and there's some legacy for all of us. Without the press, we can't do anything. Without boxers, we can't do anything. Without managers, promoters, we can't do anything. We need honesty, reality, not backbiting, not babies with sharp minds to undermine the authority. I'm being frank, I've been there. I know what it entails to get somebody there to raise the standard of boxing. So
all right, it's a photo show captain de tuja. But Azuma Nelson, yes, Barima, no, a vice chairman, the Master Committee, no, a special technical advisor to the IMC. One also saw the idea to direct Chilemo Sequan, Biasono, will two will be out for Waba Bejinasi and Tosaba, and no more best you almost some remedy box anymore, Sabe, and Yatoka, and Yagidi, said and cabinets, no more some boxing, no boxing, Yakono.
We are trying to do a very good work so that when we go and the people who come next, they know that they will follow what we have done, and then we will never hear about somebody died again. Because boxing is a tough game, and what will help you to become a world champion is you having been to school. Because when you haven't been to school and you are in the way, then you don't fight tomorrow. And you say no, or maybe you feel lazy. Boxing, you have to wake up in the morning, go to training, afternoon training, evening training. It's so hard work, and
Way I assume I asked somebody to just say, but I'm one of the Piantimicoyi. Yeah, Konam Wrestling, 29th April to the 10th of May, African Wrestling Championship, Ghana, and hosted the rest of Africa. Cannot dear that day, and I see operations one day, now, so the Biabe Prakoy, can I boy Musan and Yamasi so far?
Yamiaduma, 1st May and 2nd May, no, Ebe hosted the rest of Africa, Ghana. Cecilia Diaka was here and say a confirming and venue for the championship. We've gotten about 4 proposals. The Nat Hall, the CD Hall, University of Ghana, Boteman, and the Sports Hall, Hatramani Sports Hall, Claspo Stadium. And then you may LOC Nibishia na yedi ho nkomo na ya confirm venue na yebeye dwumedie no say last week no call some inspections be or Boteman. The other 3 venues na me kind of you did more what that 2018 is supposed to for the first time no no Hatramani Hall 2023 and not hall 2023 African Games no so no CD hall 1T and then you know I'm sure we will put communication out on the venue for the competition. Other than that, everything we are expecting almost 400 athletes and officials from about 25 countries or Africa.
Where you cannot hear the CEO to my head, the local organizing committee now, Quambia sorting and Cano, Yakana Sabian Abusia, so Shannon Sumame, say empty and I can't why there's somebody buy my empty up on Osona. Who to me about now, Aquasimless today, Aquasimless, they say, in fact, 4 chipo. And as a chip on chef for Mubium, DBS 7 control, as a free selection, it was about done so Bosoma free Bunto, when DBS come on to see and McQuarrie Conco, then this post page 1 pro live on Adom 106.3. Me Timoma Biamo says the same for 4 parts in 6 months. You know, BBT 1 or 2 circumstances beyond control. It's the 28th of March. Me part 6 March. Obabahano. Never funny binia. Fufuni ebedi 28th March. Until you are ready. Young na ebedi fufu 28th March. Awa nim haya. Enim haya. Multimedia nim hako komlo. Ahani yedi fufunu. Eti channel so sa. Efa emaim. I'm saying me just ready. Say you never ban here the sports page 2. But there's live commentary on SMP FM Champions League in Benfica Real Madrid. Janwa Kayashe no so enso dia mame. Pablo Ama thank you. Bedne with the Dortmund. Alex Kwabena Stone. Sports team na madam ase. No pay. Awaka ho na mede samna de bro. Ya no kai e de nankasa ka Kegyiwa ne ho. Eric Asiedu Boadi. Abra over to you.